Perhaps the ideal outcome for the insurance industry, both the UK insurance industry and, let's not forget, the European insurance industry that would like the ability to continue to access the UK, is some form of passporting or other access as close as possible as at present, perhaps on a reciprocal basis, a simplified basis. It seems unlikely that retention of passporting rights will be a priority in our negotiations, and we believe firms therefore need to plan on the basis that they will not be able to passport in the same way as they have been able to do to date. Firms should bear in mind that this is relevant not just to the sale of new contracts, but is also relevant, we believe, in some countries at least, perhaps many, to the ongoing servicing of existing contracts. So if you take a life insurance company that has a long-term pension arrangement with expatriates resident in European countries, it does appear that in the case of many countries, firms will need to get a local authorization to carry on servicing that business. There are other risks. One key risk identified recently by the Association of British Insurers is whether firms will continue to be able to access the skills from around the EEA and from wider international countries that they are able to at the moment, and that depends on the approach taken by our government to that particular question. Another issue which has been much discussed, not just in an insurance context, but in the context of many other industries, is whether data will continue to be able to be moved across borders in the way it is at present. This is, of course, a particularly key issue for the insurance sector. One particular opportunity around which there has been much discussion is the extent to which changes can be made to the Solvency II regime to make it more fit for purpose for the United Kingdom insurance industry. So the questions that firms should be asking themselves are, what do we want to do and where? Where are our customers? Where would we like our customers of the future to be? Where are our employees? Where can we move our employees to if we need to? What are the implications of the answers to all those questions for the licenses that we need to maintain or obtain in particular countries? When you've worked out the answers to those questions, do remember that setting up a new insurance operation in a new jurisdiction is not a quick process. You need to work out what resources you need to allocate to that project and when it needs to be started, bearing in mind that you want the ability to operate seamlessly from when Brexit takes effect.